What if I told you that you can make money online using just your phone or computer at home? Well, in this video, I got 4 of the best jobs that you can earn real money using just your phone or computer. The first one is virtual assistant. What is virtual assistant? A virtual assistant is a professional who provides administrative, technical, or creative services from a remote location. For example, answering phone calls, scheduling meetings, schedules appointments, handling customer support, etc. You can get started by applying to jobs on Upwork, Indeed, or virtual assistant jobs. VAs make around $27.09 per hour on average. According to Indeed.com, some virtual assistants have also found success by building their own personal brand and promoting it to entrepreneurs and startups. You can follow suit by creating a Facebook business page and sprucing it up with content promoting your service. It's free to create one and you can share it anywhere on the web. The second job, join an affiliate program. Affiliate program or affiliate marketing earn commission by promoting products, services, or brands on different platforms. Once you're accepted, you'll receive an affiliate link to share with others. When someone buys the product or service after clicking your link, you'll receive a commission, along with credit for the referral. The commission payout depends on the affiliate program and the product being promoted. Basic items on the Amazon Marketplace won't pay out much, but promoting digital services like web hosting may earn you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. The third one, review website and app. Another way to make money online for free is to review websites for cash. Some companies offer people payments and free products to leave testimonials on their sites. Other businesses pay people to examine the quality and performance of their website. When reviewing websites, you'll usually examine the site's functionality and how fast it loads. The amount you earn will be dependent on the marketplace you work with and the testing methods you use. In most instances, you'll earn more if you're willing to do one-on-one testing sessions with clients over video conferencing. Here are some companies you can join. User testing for app, website, and user experience testing. Try My UI for impression and survey-based testing. Testbirds for digital product, store, and mobile app testing. None of these companies require you to pay a sign-up fee, so you can start reviewing websites and making money without any investment. And the last one, sell photos online. If you regularly take photos or have lots of images on your hard drive, you can sell them to stock agencies to earn some money. You will receive a commission every time someone downloads one of your photographs, either a fixed amount or a percentage as determined by the stock image site. Best websites to sell your photos online: Burst, Shutterstock, Alamy, Isto, CK. If you build a nice collection around a particular theme, you can earn a good amount of money from it. And the best part is, every image you upload can be sold again and again, though some websites might require you to make the photos exclusive to their platform. And that's all for today. If you like our topic, hit that subscribe button and like this video. Don't forget to comment down below your suggestion. What content will I make in the next video?